A signal m of t as shown is applied both to phase modulator with Kp as phase constant and frequency modulator with Kf as frequency constant, having the same carrier frequency. The ratio Kp by Kf in radian per hertz for maximum phase deviation is. The options are 8 pi, 4 pi, 2 pi and pi. Okay. Here what has he given? M of t is given as shown here. And this M of t is applied to both phase modulator and frequency modulator. And the carrier frequency is same, it seems. Same carrier frequency. Now he is asking if both will have same maximum phase deviation, that is frequency modulation and phase modulation both have same maximum phase deviation, then Kp by Kf value he is asking. Some theory we will see first. Any carrier can be written as A into cos omega ct. We write it like this. General thing is A cos phi of t. Okay. This A is called the amplitude term and phi of t is called the phase term. In phase modulation, this phi of t is changed. Omega is equal to d phi of t by dt. The differentiation of phase is nothing but frequency, or integration of frequency with respect to time is nothing but phase. Okay, these are the both definitions you should understand. And what is A? In amplitude modulation we will change this one, keeping omega ct, the phase constant, and this is changed according to m of t cos omega ct. In amplitude modulation, in phase modulation phi of t is changed, frequency modulation frequency is changed. Okay, let us say phase modulation first. Psi pm of t I will represent it is what? A into cos, and this is the phase term, phi of t is to be changed, that is omega ct plus some constant Kp, that is the phase constant, into m of t. According to the m of t, this whole term varies. Okay, this is called phase modulation. What is frequency modulation? In frequency the modulation, the frequency is f equal to fc plus kf into m of t. This is how the frequency should change. In omega terms, 2 pi f is omega. Therefore, omega equal to omega c plus, I am multiplying by 2 pi on both sides. 2 pi kf into m of t. This is frequency. We want what? Phi fm of t. A cos, what should we write inside? We should write the phase. The phase we should write. For phase what should we do? Use this formula. That is integration of omega c is nothing but phase. Therefore, integration of omega c is phi of t. Is how much? Integration of omega c is omega ct plus kf into integral of m of tau d tau. Therefore, what is the frequency modulated signal? Omega ct plus kf into 2 pi. 2 pi into kf, right? Therefore, kf into 2 pi into integral m of tau d tau. Therefore, now we have understood what is phase modulated signal and what is frequency modulated signal. What has he given? Both have same frequency, carrier frequency. That is what we have written, omega c, omega c. And now we shall check what is the maximum phase deviation for phase modulated signal. What am I finding now? Maximum phase deviation for phase modulated signal. phase modulated signal I have written above, that is 5 FM of t. And what is phase? Phase term is this. We already know this. What is the maximum phase? We get maximum phase when m of t maximum is present. That is, what is the maximum of m of t? It is 2 or minus 2. At both, we have the magnitude to be maximum. Omega ct plus kp into 2. M of t is 2. Or let me pictorially show this. It goes from omega ct and it reaches omega ct plus 2 times kp. Or it may reach omega ct minus 2 times kp. These are both the extremes. Therefore, it lies between this only, the phase. Therefore, the maximum phase deviation, that is the deviation from the center, is how much? 2 times kp. This side and this side also 2 times kp. Therefore, what is the maximum phase deviation in this case? For phase modulated case is equal to 2 times kp. Alright. Next. Now we will find what is the maximum phase deviation for FM signal. I have already shown above that 5 FM of t is what? General formula A cos omega ct plus integral m of tau d tau into 2 pi into kf. What is the phase term here? This is the phase term phi of t here. Here also I want the maximum phase deviation. The phase is omega ct plus 2 pi kf integral m of tau d tau. Integral of m of tau d tau is what? Area under m of tau. Okay. Take the interval in which m of tau d tau area will be maximum. If you take from here to 4, what is the area? Integral m of tau d tau. The area is this part plus this part, which gives 0. When you take from 0 to 2, just 0 to 2, then area is m of tau t tau is this whole area. If you take 2 to 4, the area is from here, the whole negative area. Okay, the maximum area you will get only when you consider the whole one-sided or whole two-sided. If you take one-sided, you will get positive, negative-sided, you will get negative. Okay, therefore the maximum area can be this rectangle, which is 2 into 2, 4. Omega ct plus how much you are getting? 2 pi kf into 4 is the maximum thing you will get. Means I will pictorially show it in this way. You are at omega ct and you are reaching omega ct plus 2 pi kf into 4, or you may reach omega ct minus 2 pi kf into 4. Why minus you got? Can be 4 or minus 4 area. Okay, this area of m of tau d tau. Therefore, what is the deviation? It is this part, that is 8 pi into kf, or this one. This is this side 8 pi into kf. Maximum phase deviation for FM is 8 pi into kf. This is my second result I got. Here first result is what? Maximum phase deviation for phase modulated signal is 2 into kp. This is 1, 2 into kp, and this is 2. In both the cases he said the phase deviation is same, it seems. 2 into kp is equal to 8 pi into kf. This is what he said. Phase deviation is same for both cases. Therefore kp by kf is how much? 4 into pi. Therefore kp by kf is 4 into pi. Okay. The things to be remembered are here the phase modulated signal general formula, the frequency modulated signal general formula, and you should understand what is phase and what is frequency. What is amplitude you should also understand. Okay, then I calculated the maximum phase deviation for phase modulated and frequency modulated both, and I equated this both. Then I will get kp by kf equal to 4 pi. Therefore B is the correct option.